Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. Today in this lecture, I will tell you about some miscellaneous examples on area related to circle. In my previous lectures on area related to circle, I covered about what are areas of a quadrant, what are secants, what is the length of an arc. So in this video, I'll take a step forward and I'll tell you about how the questions come on this chapter in from exam point of view. Okay, so I'm taking one typical example which is very important for the students, that which a lot of time was asked in the exam also. So guys, please be very attentive while watching this video. Let me write the example question first. So student, here is the question which states that a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field. So let me draw the diagram first. Okay, this is a square shaped grass field and horse is tied at a peg at one corner. So I'll say that a horse is tied. Okay, and of side 15 meters. This is a side of 15 meter and the horse is tied with a rope length of 5 meter. So the area in which the horse can graze will be this. Okay, I hope you guys are clear that if a horse is tied at this point, he can roam here and there and he can graze only this area. Means he can eat the grass from this area only. Okay, so I have to find out in the first part that the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So I can see directly from the portion that it is a quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4 of circle. Okay, so to find out the area of grass which horse can graze, I will directly use the formula 1 by 4 pi r square. How 1 by 4 comes? Because it is a 90 degree, the angle of a square will always be 90 upon 360 upon into pi r square, total area of square. So this is 1 by 4 pi r square. So I will write 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into r will be 5 into 5. This is 11 by 2. This is coming out to be 265 by 14 meter square. So the area which the horse can graze is coming out to be 265 by 14 meter square. And in the second part, the question asked us is the increase in the area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. If this rope would be of 10 meter, so I'll say that the new rope is 10 meter, so that this area now the horse can graze. Okay, so what we will do for this will be, we will use again the new area the horse can graze. The horse can graze now will be, I will be directly using 1 by 4 pi r square. In that case r will comes out to be 10. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 10 is 100, which is 11 by 2. This is 11 by 1100 by 14 meter square. So the change in area, if the question asked us find out the change in the area, then you have to subtract these two areas. But the question didn't ask us now, so I left the question here with the new area, with the change in area. But the question asked us that increase in the area, so I have to tell that the increase in the area will be, increase in area will be 1100 by 14 minus 265 by 14. So I will write directly as 835 by 14 as our answer, meter square. So this is our final answer, which states that increase in the area is 835 by 14 meter square. So I hope students you are clear now. This is one of the most typical examples which you might face in the exam. Please do practice these type of questions, and if you are still having any issue or any doubt, please do comment in the comment section, guys. Thank you.